I'm I'm going to share a failure of mine with you, and I'm doing it in the hopes that it will motivate you to live the life of your dreams.
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
So what am I talking about? I'm kind of disappointed in myself, and I really want to share this with you because my goal in my life is to help you live the life of your dreams, the life that you want to live, the life that you should be living. And what's kind of caused this to happen is today, right now today, is the 11-year anniversary of this channel. And I launched it January 14th, 2010. And we were living on our sailboat full time, and it was Pirate Lifestyle TV. Me goal be to motivate and stimulate ye friends to be living the pirate lifestyle. Arr. And, we made videos about living on the sailboat and doing the things that you love and having control of your life, and that type of thing. And then that chapter of our life came to an end, and we lived, on this homestead now. We moved to our homestead, sold the sailboat, and for about 2 years, I didn't really upload any videos, maybe an occasional one here or there, because I was like, what do I do? I'm Captain Rob living the pirate lifestyle, and now we're on a homestead, and how do I tie all this together? And it really brought to my attention that the goal is still the same, that where you're physically located, on a sailboat, in a homestead, in an apartment in New York City, those things don't matter. That what matters is that you're driving the bus in your life. So what has all this got to do with why I feel like I've been a failure here? And the thing is, what's happened is I've let the outside world, things that are out of my control, drive me with what I'm doing or not doing. And for example, on this channel, in 2019, I uploaded 46 videos to this channel. And my goal is typically, one video a week. I upload a video on Sunday and publish it for you to watch. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I kind of think about, as I'm going through taking care of the chickens and the guineas that you hear in the background, and fixing the house and repairing fences and mowing grass and getting firewood and all of those things. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I kind of mull over in my head what I want to do, and I may even jot notes down and sort of outline out, call it a script if you want to, of kind of the things that I want to talk about. And then usually on Thursday or Friday, I shoot the video. Today's Thursday, and it's getting pretty late in the day. The sun's starting to set down in the trees, so I don't have much more daylight here. Tomorrow's going to be rainy, so I can't do it tomorrow, and that's why I'm sharing with you today. And then Saturday I do all the editing and everything, and then it's ready to go for you on Sunday. So in 2019 I did 46 videos. In 2020 I did 19. That's like one every 3 weeks, barely. And again, I let things out of my control impact my life. I wasn't driving my bus. I was just a passenger in the back seat. And I'm always sharing, live happy, fun-loving, and carefree, and I really mean that. And that is the life that I normally live. It's what you see is what you get. The hair's real, the beard's real, the manly good looks are real, no makeup here. The laugh is real. I've been accused by people of having a fake laugh just for the videos, and I'm acting. I've had people accuse me of using a green screen, and this is real. I'm standing in my front yard. I shoot a lot of videos at quote in the backyard. When we were on the sailboat, on the boat, or on the beach, people would say, "Oh, you're using a green screen." What you see is what you get. This is the real me. And a funny story here is back when Mrs. DIY and I first met, our very first date, we actually met at a little store that sold knickknacks and all kinds of householdy kind of things, a sort of a little bit of everything general store. And this is our first time that we actually met in person. And we're shopping and we're goofing around, and I can't believe we didn't get kicked out of the store. And we picked out a lamp, and I was picking out a shade for the lamp, and I got in this altercation with this other woman. We were sort of fighting over a lampshade because it was the only one. And Mrs. DIY is there with eyes like, I'm like, this first date's going to be a last date. and thankfully it wasn't. And that lamp is in our living room on a table. And when I get up in the morning, the first thing I do is turn that lamp on. And when I go to bed at night, the last thing I do is turn the lamp off. And I think about, you know, that's from the very first time that we met each other in person. And, you know, that's the kinds of things that I want you to be enjoying life. And I'm always sharing, you know, motivational quotes and inspirations. And it really is me genuinely sharing with you what I hope that you can do in your life. And, you know, so it's pain heals, chicks dig scars, glory lasts forever. Right on. But that's really what I want for you. So I'm sharing the frustration. Boy, you guys are noisy. Quiet! Is that, you know, don't let things outside of your control dictate who you are. You know, rules are made up by one group of people to control another group of people. Rules are just imaginary things. You know, you don't have to live by somebody else's rules in your life. And I know that's easy for me to say, but I really believe it. That's what I try really, really hard to live. And you know, this past year was a test on all of us, and it even, you know, influenced me. So don't let that happen. You know, adjust your sails to get to your destination. It's really, really important. Hang on a minute. Hey! Quiet! Boy, oh boy. So, you know, one of my favorite shirts that I like to wear, and it's almost 20 years old now, and the saying on it is smile. It pisses people off. And I don't have a problem with walking down the street in New York City or Chicago and saying, looking people in the eye and saying, hey, how you doing? And it kind of reminds me of the character, think of Crocodile Dundee, you know, when he comes to New York and he's like, this must be the friendliest town in the world. Why else would 8 million people want to live here? That's me. And I was always the odd duck in the family. Oh, Rob, he's just different. Because people couldn't understand why I was always happy in any situation. And you make your own happiness. I want you to make your own happiness. So while I'm reminiscing about my 11-year anniversary with this channel and making videos and planning to do one a week, which is going to be my goal for this year, one video every week, maybe a few shorts thrown in there with their YouTube's new feature. Remembering the day we left urbanism forever. There was a man called Rob. To entertain you. They're a lot of fun, and they're a little bit more of an acting kind of video, trying to have some entertaining value for you. So I hope you enjoy those. And just decide how you want to live your life. And please don't do like I did last year and let things that are outside of your control make you waste your life. Because, you know, we're all just a little speck on this rock we call Earth, flying through space in the universe, and we're only here for the briefest of moments. And again, all these goofy rules of you you know, you've got to do this and do that and don't do that. And that's a, you know, forget about all of that. Live your life. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Please. Don't be frustrated by things that you can't control. Don't think that you're like a failure or anything like that. Enjoy living your life. So watch another video and subscribe if you're not subscribed, so you can get these informative, inspirational, motivational, entertaining, genuine laughs with real hair and a real beard and handsome good looks.